Cleaning a bathroom is no easy business. That's why we're here to help. Just follow this checklist and you'll find a spotless bathroom before you know it. Step 1. Get your cleaning supplies. First, you need to gather all the things you need to clean the bathroom. These include your cleaning solutions, disinfectants, scrub brushes, sponges, microfiber cloths, floor mop, and gloves. Step 2. Clear the space. Now you should remove everything from the bathroom floor, shelves, and countertops. Your bath mats, towels, and toiletries need to go too. Step 3. Dust and sweep. When dusting the bathroom, start from the ceiling and work your way down to the other surfaces. Don't forget the light fixtures and the vents. After dusting everything, sweep the floor to get rid of the dirt. Step 4. Clean the bathing area. Apply your cleaning solution to the shower or the tub surface. Let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing and rinsing. Step 5. Clean the toilet. Apply the toilet bowl cleaner to the inside of the bowl. Let it sit again before scrubbing and flushing it away. Wipe the rest of the toilet with a disinfectant. Step 6. Clean the sink and countertops. Spray some cleaning solution on the sink and countertops. After letting them sit, wipe them down with your sponge or cloth. Step 7. Clean the mirror. Spray glass cleaner on the mirror. You can then wipe it clean with a cloth or towel. Step 8. Clean the floor. Mop the floor with the disinfectant. Mind the grout lines on the tiles. There's a lot of dirt on them. Step 9. Wipe the other things down. Don't forget your light switches and handles. They can get dirty too. You can wipe them down with disinfectant. Finally cleaned everything? Then it's time to put back all the things you removed. You should replace the towels and bath mats too. With these steps, you can finally have a clean bathroom. Of course, there's nothing wrong with calling professionals like us for help. If you want more cleaning tips from Kung Fu Helper, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.